DJI Mavic 3 Charger by LKTOP. Got that coming up next. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The good folks at LKTOP have sent me a DJI Mavic 3 Charger to go ahead and test. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unboxing, the setup, and the test of the LKTOP DJI Mavic 3 Charger. Okay, we're going to unbox the Mavic 3 Battery Charger by LKTOP. Let's take a look at the box here. There's some of the specs on the back, side, bottom. Let's go ahead and open this up here. In a nice carrying case here. Pull that out. There's an instruction manual. Eventually it does get to an English page, and it is very clear and concise in what you need to do. Very impressed with this. Okay, here is the cord to plug it in. Same kind of plastic they have on DJI products there. There's the cord. Let's go ahead and get the charger out. And that is wrapped in plastic as well. Let's go ahead and take that off. And there's a silica pack in there. And there's the charger itself. It's 200 watts. There's vents on the side. There's the plug-in and the USB plug as well. Here's the bottom, and it does list specifications on the bottom of it as well. LKTOP 200 watt. Let's go ahead and plug it in here. See all the lights coming up on it. Now we'll go ahead and put the batteries in. Make sure you're putting a battery in where the pins are correctly. And it is a very snug fit, which is good. And once you get the batteries in, the lights light up indicating that they are in the slot. You have two charging modes. Right now it's at 100%. You can see obviously the battery in the middle is fully charged. And we're going to go ahead and switch it to 60 here. You got to hold it for 2 seconds. And now it's at 60%, which would be storage mode. If you look on top, all of them are at 60%. So that's good. Now to switch it back to 100, you have to hold on that for 2 seconds again. It'll flash, and then you hold it again. And then it'll lock. And you can check on top on the batteries themselves. And they are charging again. Also, there is a USB cable that LKTOP includes. Fits in nicely right there to go ahead and charge other devices. It comes in very handy and very convenient. This is the LKTOP charger for the Mavic 3. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Mavic 3 charger by LKTOP? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching.